So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to search and type in view network connections. Click on it. And then once you're in this, you're going to find your network adapter. You're going to double click on it. And then click on properties. And then click on Internet Protocol version 4. Now you're going to select use the following DNS server address. You're going to make the first line 8888. And you're going to make the second line 8844. And then click on OK. Click on OK again. And now for the second step, you're going to head over to search and type in troubleshoot settings. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're going to click on other troubleshooters. Then you're going to find network and internet. Click on run. Click on this. If it finds any problems with your network, it's going to fix it for you. And now for the next step, you're going to head over to search again and type in CMD. Then you want to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And then once you're on this, you're going to type in ipconfig space / flush DNS. Click on enter. And then you're going to type in ipconfig space / release. Click on enter again. And now you're going to type in ipconfig space / renew. Click on enter again. Wait for this to load. And now you're going to type in netsh space winsock space reset. Click on enter. And now for the last one, you're going to type in netsh space int space ip space reset. Click on enter again. Now you just want to restart your computer and the problem should be fixed.